Excellent day for Australia. Marnus Labuschagne started from where he left yesterday and fought hard to get back into form as he scored a gritty 50. The bowling was tight from Bumrah and Siraj in the opening hour and the former picked up a couple of wickets. Travis Head received an incredible reception from the Adelaide crowd when he walked out to bat and the left-hander didn't disappoint the fans. He got off to a slightly scratch start but once he got his eye in, the runs came at a quick pace. His entertaining knock of 140 resulted in the hosts taking a healthy 157-run lead. Post that, the Aussies were relentless with the pink ball under lights. Just the three main speedsters were used. Boland and Cummins picked 2 wickets apiece while Stark cleaned up Gill with a lovely in-swinger. India are well behind the 8 ball as they still trail by 29 runs and just 5 wickets in hand. Pant has been adventurous with 5 audacious boundaries. For India to even be competitive, he and young Nitish have to bat out of their skins. For now, Australia are mighty favourites to wrap up the match and level the series 1-1. Tune in tomorrow to find out how the action unfolds. Here's today's hero, Travis Head talking to Fox Cricket after the day's play. Needs to get some runs. Felt really good. Over the last couple of weeks, batting has been going nicely, so nice to cash in. I am playing well, took my chances here and there. It was a tough wicket to bat on. At certain stages, they bowled really well. Nice to take my luck wherever I got it and put the guys in a really good position. Fast forwarding the score at the moment, I feel like we are in a great position. Yeah, I could believe that we could be in this position after the Perth test if we did the right things and we played well. No doubt, India would have felt like they could have put us under pressure as well. So both teams come in feeling like if they got things right, they could try to dominate the game. Not that we are doing it just yet but we are in a great position. On his tactics against Ashwin, when they've got the quality of quicks that they've got, I guess you got to target something. With the field up, I was always going to take my chances and then from there it was just trying to make really good decisions around where I tried to score. I felt like I navigated through his spells really well. Played really well in some moments of the innings. On the 100 celebration, a newborn boy a couple of weeks ago, did it when Miller, eldest son, was born. I would have copped a bit of stick from the missus if I didn't do that when Harrison was born. On the fracas with Siraj after getting out, I said well bowled but he thought otherwise when he pointed me towards the sheds. I thought that he got a little bite back from me. Slightly disappointed with the way that transpired with a couple of past innings but it is what it is. If they want to react like that and that's how they want to represent themselves, then so be it. Stat. In the session under lights on the first day, India's seamers got the ball to swing and seam the ball more than what Australia managed today. Only 4.6% of balls from India were projected to hit the stumps which fetched them figures of 171st while Australia directed 11.6% balls on stumps with returns of 5/119ths.